Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Sharmishta. Excuse the t-shirt. I really like this t-shirt actually, so you guys should also like it. So anyway, I am going out today, and just an update, I'm not feeling the best. My IBS has been acting up and it's the first day of my period, so it's not that great. But I made a commitment to go out with my friends. It would have been easy to cancel and just stay at home and do nothing, like just chill. But I don't want to let my IBS determine, like, if I'm still in a decent enough mood to go, I want to go. And also my face is shiny because I just applied a layer of moisturizer, and I am also going to apply sunscreen just cause. So yes, here's my sunscreen. So this is a chatty get ready with me, and I am going to this place called Toast and Tonic. It's in BKC, Mumbai. I have been there earlier. I'm just like wiping off the excess sunscreen on my hands, and honestly my hands could also use sunscreen because they are also tan now. And I'm sipping on green tea while getting ready. Excuse the cup, it's a free cup that my mom got from somewhere, like she had gone to an event. Yeah, so let's get started with the video. I have already prepped my face, and I'm gonna keep the makeup light because it's very humid in Mumbai and I can't tolerate heavy makeup. Um, Something I want to talk about these days, like something that has been on my mind these days, is that work has been hectic, and actually I haven't decided the topic of this video, so I'm just gonna rant about random stuff or like talk about random stuff. I'm sorry if it doesn't make sense. So I took a little bit of CC cream, and I like to mix it in my fingers first and then apply it on my face. As you can see, it's like super light. The CC cream is super light, and as I mentioned, I don't want to do heavy makeup, but I did just apply moisturizer and my face is too shiny, so I'm gonna try to balance it with some compact. This is the MAC compact. If you want shade details, I will drop them in the comment. But yeah, I realized this is like not a super aesthetic get ready with me, but I don't know, I just felt like shooting something. I have not been feeling that great today because, as I mentioned, I IBS and period day one, so I just like, I like it when I shoot something, it makes me feel good. When I'm editing videos, it makes me feel good. There's some sort of satisfaction, there's some sort of peace that I get when I do this. And I have been running this YouTube channel since the last 2 years. I haven't been consistent, I haven't been active every week, I haven't been posting every week, but I like it honestly. And one of my guilty pleasures, not guilty, it's a non-guilty pleasure, is discovering small YouTube creators, discovering small channels and like going through their vlogs, because I feel that people are super authentic when they haven't figured out the tricks or the trade yet, like before they've gotten big, create like become before they've become big. They like to post about stuff they actually care about, I feel at least. And it's not as filtered, it's kind of raw, someone's just learning the ropes. I love it. I love discovering small creators, and yeah. But anyway, I applied CC cream. Then for the lips, I'm just gonna apply this lipstick. It's a color bar lipstick which I have been using ever since second year of college. Ever since this lady in Alpha Irla told me that this shade really suits my brown skin, and it actually does. Like ever since that day, whenever I wear this shade, I always get asked which shade is it, and I always get compliments. So yeah, I like this. And there's this other lipstick also that I have. It is from Faye Beauty. I feel that's a great brand for brown skin girls, but that one got over, so this is the only lipstick I have. Cool, so my lipstick is applied. Then once the final step, or like one of the final steps, is eyeliner. I have almond shaped eyes, and these are not exactly like angular, so to give my eyes the angular look I like to apply um, eyeliner so that I get that look. So I'll just do that. I'm pretty sure my eyeliner is not symmetric, but honestly it's fine. Who's looking at me? And now it's time for eyeshadow. Like, I think my eyebrow liner or like eyebrow I don't know what's this called. I think this is getting over, but I'm still gonna apply it just so that I'm satisfied that I've applied something. Yeah, honestly I don't think it made a lot of difference, but that's fine. Earlier I used to like try very hard to hide my dark circles, but one of the things that have been not working out for me is finding the right shade of concealer, because I'm getting tanned, but then I'm getting back my original skin color, then I'm getting tanned again. So like a single shade of concealer is just not working out for me throughout, and I have been too lazy to like go out and buy multiple concealers, so I just like let my dark circles show. And yeah, that's it. So I think I'm done with the makeup, and now I'm gonna change and I'll show you what I wear. So I changed into my dress. This is a long midi dress, and I have owned this since 7 years, since 6 years. I've worn this dress since 6 years, and it's loose and comfortable, and even though I have cramps, I won't be uncomfortable. And yeah, like nice dinner vibe. So I'll attach a better clip of the dress. And now time for some jewelry. Also, fun fact, I just ironed this dress and I burnt myself while ironing it. So yay. Again, like I'm gonna keep the jewelry simple, just like I did with the makeup. And honestly, I own like simple jewelry only because I have a hard time choosing which jewelry to wear when, if it's not simple, then if it is not like, if it doesn't go with everything that I own. So I'm doing like this pearl drop earrings. And I'm also holding the chain that I'm gonna wear, so I'll just show it to you. It's a gold chain which says 1111. I could really use some luck right now because haven't been having a great time, as I mentioned. Yeah, so this is on, jewelry is on, makeup is done, hair is also made. Like I combed my hair, I brushed my hair before I did the makeup. And yeah, I'm ready to go. Now that I think of it, I should have worn the dress first and then did my makeup. I think that would have been better for the video aesthetics. But I was just comfortable in my pajama top. And yeah, that's what this is. This is an honest get ready with me. I'm not having the best day, but I do feel good because I'm ready to go out, meet my friends, have a good time, hopefully not encounter any hiccups on the way, and hopefully no auto wala harasses me on the way while I'm there and on my way back home. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and if you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.